Hey y'all. So we've got 2 weeks left of school left, which I know y'all are excited about. I'm excited about. We're almost there. So the main thing for this week is, like I said, last week was the last time we would be doing any new assignments or introducing anything new. So what you have to do for me is simply getting in any late work. And the big thing is this Thursday, that will be May the 20th, is the last day I will accept late work. Because at this point, anything you're turning in is late. The last two assignments were due last Friday. Um, and so now I'm giving you until this Thursday to turn those things in if you hadn't, which is a little bit tighter deadline than I typically do, but we're also at the end of the year. Um, so at 11:59 on Thursday, it is the last time I will accept any work from any student. So please make sure that you get your stuff in. If there is any reason that you can't turn that in by then, you need to let me know as soon as possible. Don't wait till Thursday at 11:30 when you realize you're not going to finish everything. If you let me know beforehand, I can help you. But if you wait until the very last minute, then I can't help you. You have to help yourself. You have to do this work. A lot of you have turned everything in. You're great. And this also goes for any late work from the fourth 6 weeks, the fifth 6 weeks, and this 6 weeks. Because I still have a lot of people who they're on the border of gaining credit or losing credit for the second semester of Art 1. So if you have any questions about that, you need to get in touch with me. Also, y'all, don't email me. Please don't email me with, hey, Mr. Shinn, what am I missing? Go into Skyward. All of the assignments are there. Everything is in at this point, or shows at least. I'm updating everything today I'm grading everything from that was due last Friday and putting those in, and any makeup work that anyone else has turned in. So probably by the end of the day tomorrow, the Skyward will be up to date. And if you don't turn anything in for me, that is going to be your grade minus your semester exam. So in saying all that, I'm trying to be as clear as possible as I can on this. I'm going to send out an announcement after I get done recording this, just to let y'all know that late work will not be accepted after 11:59 on Thursday. Let me go over here to our. So this is this week. These aren't even assignments; they're just pages that are blank, but they just say please turn any late work. You have nothing on Friday unless you are a purple day, and then you have an attendance assignment on Friday. This practice final. This is exactly what the final is going to be. It's going to be this video you're going to be expected when you come in, and some of you already taken this actually. Those that are sales students, last Friday I had my gold day come in and take it, so they've already seen it. They already know what's there. But any of you who haven't, and they did excellent. They did a fantastic job. Everyone who took my final last week made 100. So as always, guys, I don't expect perfection. I expect effort. And since y'all are going to be sitting in front of me, I'm going to get to see that. I'm going to get to see how hard you work on this. So my in-person students today, I let them go ahead and just take a practice run at this final. I gave them all the materials they needed to do the watercolor, let them do it, and gave them feedback on what I would like to see when they do it for the final. When you come in, and if you don't get to do the practice run, that's okay. That's cool. I understand. But take your time. If you do it in 5 minutes, I'm going to give you 5-minute grade. You know. Now I had someone ask me today in class, well, what if it's perfect? Well, yeah, if it's perfect, I'll give you 100 on it if you do it in 5 minutes. But I'm pretty sure you wouldn't be in my Art 1 class if that was the case. You'd probably be in AP Art 4 if you can do it in 5 minutes and that fast. And even then, I don't think it's possible to do it unless you've painted this thing 500 times and know how to do it real quick. Anyway, I digress. But please take a look at that just so you're familiar with it. And it's not even for a grade. It's just to help you guys. It's like our review. So that's all you have to actually do for me this week unless you owe me late work. That's that. That's all I have. It's pretty simple. Yeah. So you guys have a great last week before finals. If you have any other, good luck in your other classes, finishing up all those things. Like I said, if you have any questions or problems, email me. email me as soon as possible. Thank you guys. I'll take it easy.